Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin itong listahan ng 40 vloggers na inimbita ng House Tricom na mag-attend sa hearing on February 4 related sa fake news and disinformation. Ito, mayroong post si Ka Eric Jeff Celes na kung saan initouch niya yung press release galing sa House of Representatives. So, basahin ko itong post ni Ka Eric, posted 59 minutes ago. Sabi niya, I am invited to the House of Tambaluslos, but I have not received my formal letter of invitation. But I will be there on February 4. Although I have a court hearing scheduled on the Teddy Casino case in the afternoon of said date. Let's see what will happen. Ka Eric. So, imbitado si Ka Eric. Kaya lang, hindi pa niya na tanggap yung invitation. Paano niya nalaman na imbitado? Mayroong press release ang House. Basahin ko. Press release, February 2, 2025. House invites 40 social media personalities to hearing on fake news, disinformation. At least 40 social media personalities have been invited as resource persons to the first hearing of the House Tricom investigating the spread of fake news and disinformation in the country. The hearing, scheduled on Tuesday, February 4, will be conducted by the Committees on Public Order and Safety, Public Information and Communications Technology. Laguna Representative Dan Fernandez, who will preside over the hearing, stressed the hearings will examine how this information spreads online, its impact on public perception and national security, and the measures needed to combat it. The chairman of the House Committee on Public Order and Safety emphasized the need to protect Filipinos from false information intended to mislead and divide. Ito ang statement ni Congressman Fernandez. Ang mga Pilipino ay may karapatan sa katotohanan. Dapat protektahan natin ang ating mga kababayan laban sa maling impormasyong nagdudulot ng takot at pagkawatak-watak sa ating lipunan. The 40 invited resource persons are known for their influence on social media platforms where they engage in political discourse, news analysis, and online commentary. The list includes, ito na, yung mga vloggers. Karamihan dito, mga Duterte diehard supporters. Karamihan na, hindi naman lahat siguro. Number 1, Malu Tikia. Si Professor Tikia. Number 2, Jose Yumang Sonsa. Okay, si Jason sa pala ito. Number 3, Cresset La Oreta Chu. Number 4, Mark Anthony Lopez. 5, Alan Troy Sas Rogando Sasut. Ilan na yan? 5. Next, MG Kiambao Reyes. Vivian Zapata Rodriguez. Ethel Pineda. Loren Marie Tablang Badoy Partosa. Jeffrey Almendra Celes, ito na si Ka Eric. Lord Brian Cristobal Banatbay, Alex Distor or si Theo Moreno, Auron Piña, Old School Pinoy, Glenn Chong, si Atty. Glenn Chong ito, Auron Peña, Old School Pinoy, nabasa ko na pala, Manuel Mata Jr. or otherwise known Coco Locoy, Elizabeth Joey Cruz or si Joey De Vebre, Claro Ganak, Claire Aiden Contreras or si Maharlika Boljaquera, nasa US ito, hindi makakaten. Jonathan Morales, ito si Agent Morales, ex-PDEA agent. Cyrus Preglo or si Optic Politics. Maricar Soriano. Ernesto S. Abenes Jr. or si June Abenes. Attorney Trexie Cruz Angeles. Julius Melanosi Maui or si Maui Spencer. Darwin Salceda or si Boss Dada TV. Elmer Hugalbot or si Ebi Hugalbot. Kati Binag. MJ Mondijar. Zuzain Batalya or si Ayam Shanwin. Joe Smith Medina or si Political Witchboy. Jeffrey G. Cross or si GCCO Island JJ Cruz. Alben Montero. Kester Ramon Jan. Balibalos Tan or si Mr. Real Talker. Edwin Hamora or si Reyna Elena, nasa US ito, si Edwin Hamora. Maria Florenda Espinilla Duki or si Peebles Duki. Dr. Richard Tesoro Mata or si Doc Richard and Erika Mata. Amid Paglinawan or si Luminous by Trexie and Amid. Ryan Lingo. Attorney Enzo Recto or si Attorney Ricky Tumuturgo. And Ros Flores del Rosario, What's Up Philippines. Okay. The hearing will also feature representatives from Google, Meta, ByteDance, TikTok, as well as officials from the National Bureau of Investigation, Philippine National Police, and the Department of Justice, who are expected to discuss regulatory challenges and enforcement mechanism against online disinformation. So, yun po.